Welcome to Kumbasoft's DPAA, the DataPower Administrator's Assistant. DPAA is a tool developed by DataPower administrators for DataPower administrators. You will find DPAA absolutely necessary in your day-to-day DataPower operational and administrative tasks. You can immediately focus on the task at hand, allowing you to get things done precisely when you need it. DPAA gives you the tools to find the information you need and quickly act to resolve issues and perform complex operations efficiently, repeatedly, and securely. When working with DPAA, you'll learn the ability to quickly clear caches, manage domains, view, filter, and graph status providers, search, manage, and create logs, create, copy, move, and rename objects and files, compare configurations and synchronize break-fix changes, compare and edit files using a fully featured syntax highlighting editor. From system controls and troubleshooting to an aggregated CLI management interface, there is so much to DPAA you will come to depend upon. Other tools are too expensive and complicated. The installations are confusing. The setups are ridiculous. You'll get lost in the dependencies. DPAA is a drop-and-go solution designed to be as easy as possible to set up and get going. It doesn't get in the way of your productivity with a maze of configuration files and setup options. DPAA doesn't come with proprietary CLIs or commands requiring hours of research and documentation just to get started. No complicated scripts to write, maintain, or debug. With DPAA, it's just click, click, go. Try it out. You will come to use it virtually every minute of every day. Call us for a demo. We'll be glad to show you DPAA running live. We'll even bring the trial licenses with us and connect it to your appliances. Of course, if you're skeptical, we invite you to review all the features and video tutorials on our website. All of our videos show DPAA at work in real time with no edits or fancy video effects. Each tutorial is produced in a single live action cut. Contact us for pricing. We don't care how many appliances you have. DPAA is a fraction of the cost of our competitors and will remain that way. Come get a free 30-day fully featured trial license to see how DPAA works for you. If you hate it, fine. Tell us why. But I assure you, you won't. Even if you love the tool you currently had, you'll love having DPAA by your side to supplement your day-to-day work. Once you're using DPAA, we're willing to bet you'll totally forget about any other tool you use. And we're not done yet. While you're watching this, we're adding many new productivity features and enhancements, so keep visiting our website at www.kumbasoft.com to keep up with the latest information. For the latest announcements and notices, follow us on Facebook and Twitter at kumbasoft.com. Thank you, and have a good day.